Okay, how to partially rebuild a drive unit. What we're going to do today is replace the bearings and the axle bearings here, the dog bones, and put axle extenders on. And then first, let's get some bearings, and I got from the local bearing shop. You don't necessarily need to go to a hobby shop to get them. Put one down in there, push fairly hard until it stops. Then you put the axle joint in. Should slide through quite nicely. And then the outside bearing. Just push that on with your hands and then fingers. Right, that's in, all done. Pretty simple. Next is dog bones. Need a bit of this, which is grease. Grease the whole tip of that end with heavy duty grease if you got it. Elbow grease won't work. Pull the boot over it and just put a very fine film on the edge of the boot there to help it locate itself in. Right, slide the boot over the diff joint first. And once that's on, line up the drive shaft, dog bone drive shaft, same thing. Push and twist the boot until it seats into the diff. Yeah, it looks alright. Right, same for the other end. Boot first, there we go, then drive shaft. And slide that boot in, same deal, twist it till it seats in there. Try not to twist it too hard or you'll split the boot. There we go. Quick test, make sure it's all, yep, all good. Put this bit back on. So there you have new axle bearings, new drive shaft, dog bones, new boots. Next will be axle extenders. And what axle extenders do is they extend your axles.